Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and this rugged beauty right here is my new best friend. It is the CYCPLUS Paddleboard Pump. This thing is so user-friendly. Once you turn it on, you just set it to the desired PSI that you need for your paddleboard and press start. That's all you have to do. And this thing starts working its magic. When it reaches the desired PSI, it shuts off automatically. So you don't have to worry about overfilling it or constantly checking the battery while it's filling. Now you can pump with this and you can deflate. So I love that as well. It was so easy to deflate my paddleboard when I was finished with it properly and put it away, and it fit right into my paddleboard case. So I just keep it there so it's ready to use every time I go out. It comes with many different attachments, so I use this also to fill up some of my pool floats at home because it is so compact and does not need to be plugged in while using it. It is so portable. Then when the battery does die, you just bring it in and plug it in with the plug that's provided, and it'll recharge easy peasy. Honestly, if you're a water sport enthusiast and you own a paddleboard, you definitely need this baby right here. I'm so happy I have it. It makes my life so much easier now, and I know that you will find the same too. And that's my point of view.